Today in this video, I will be showing you guys how to create fandom account following just few steps. Make sure you are connected to internet. Now open your fandom app. Here we go. You can see different options as sign in with Apple, Google, Facebook, Twitch or register with email. You can choose any of the option. Here I will be choosing the option register with email. Now you have to enter your email address here. And then tap on next. Now create a username for your fandom account and then tap on next. Now you have to create a strong password for your account and then tap on next. Lastly, you have to enter your age and then tap on done. It is in the process, just wait for a few seconds. Now here you can follow your fandoms. After you are done, tap on done at the top right corner. You can see that I have easily created my fandom account. In this way, you can also create your fandom account.